So today we're going to be learning about the selection sort. Given the following unsorted array, utilize the selection sort algorithm to sort the array. So during each iteration, we take the smallest item in the unsorted section of the array and we move it to the sorted section of the array. So in this following example, the red arrow is pointing to the current minimum item and the black arrow is pointing to the current traversing item. Now we set the current minimum item to the first element in the array and we traverse this array. So as you can see, 1 is the smallest item, so we set 1 equal to the current minimum item, and then we keep on traversing the array. So since 1 is the smallest item in this array, we swap 1 and 5. Now we set the current minimum value, or the minimum item, to the next element in the array, and we traverse the array. So 4 is going to be the current minimum item, and we keep traversing. Then we set 3 equal to the current minimum item. Then we swap the current minimum item, which was 3, with 5. So we keep on doing this. Until the array has been sorted. So that is the selection sort in a general concept. Now we're going to be going over the Python code. Okay, hopping over to the Python code, the first thing we do is we define the array. So we're going to have the values 5, 1, 4, 12, and 3 as shown in the PowerPoint. Then the second thing we have to do is we have to write the for loop that's going to traverse the entire array, and it will be for I in range length of A, and what this is doing is basically it's going from 0 to the length of A, which would be 5. So we're going to go 0 to 4. Don't forget that it starts at 0. Then we have to define our current minimum item, and we set that to the first item in the array. Then the second thing we need to do is define the second for loop, which would be for j in range. We're going to start at I plus 1, so not the first element in the array, but the second element, to the length of A, which would be the end of the array. And this second for loop is basically traversing the array, trying to compare the current min value against the current traversing item to find the smallest item. So now we have to write that if statement to C. So if the current min value is greater than the current traversing item, then the min is equal to the traversing item. So like I stated again, if the current min value is greater than the current traversing item, then you set the min value equal to the traversing item. And after that loop is done, min will be the minimum value in that item array, and you're going to swap. So you would do AI swapping with min. Okay, so as stated previously, the first for loop will traverse the entire array. You set the min equal to the first element in that given array. And the second for loop will traverse the array, not including the initial item in that array, and it's going to compare the current min value against the current traversing item. And if that is greater, then you set the min equal to the traversing item, which would be your minimum value. And then at the end, you swap your the initial item, your first item in the array, with the min value. And at the end, we want to print the sorted array. So let's do that. And we're going to do for I in range length of A. Let's print each item in that array. So this is going from 0 to 4, and we're going to print each item in that array. So let's see if this code works. We're going to do Python selection.sort, And as you can see, it has been sorted. Now we can add other items or other numbers, and let's see if it's working properly. Okay. And as you can see, it is working properly. Thank you guys so much for watching the video.